Hey guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to yet another video. So today in this video, I will show you how to write a clear, easy blog post and earn from that easily. So first of all, just go to this website named anywords.com. Then you open an account and it will redirect you to this website named good.anyword.com. Then in the home, first of all send you this it will first of all send it will send you to this page name anywhere. Go to anywords.com/dashboard, and then from here just click the blog wizard, then new blog post, then just wait for a second to create a new project. So then just give the title, like I'm giving how to what how to promote YouTube, no, blog, blog, what, blog sites. Then just just find a topic and that of which you are writing, like promotion. Sales and promotions. So then just click the next button and just wait for a second for it to be loaded. Then title, oh sorry, here. So this is quite easy to get the best title. So this is the best, and it has a SEO score of a 65. That's great. So just selecting it and then next, and then outline. So that's generating, and just wait for a second and it will generate an AI based outline. So create shareable contents, use social media platforms, use hashtags, collaborate with other bloggers, then many things. So I got this. This is quite good. And then next, and then it will ask you for a intro paragraph. So just wait for a second and it will create an intro paragraph for you. So these paragraphs are not much famous, like if you're blog that doesn't matter. I just getting funny. So just get next, and then continue to editor, and here just click the got it button, and here then in every single paragraph just create this generate button and just wait for a while so that it can easily create an paragraph for you. So I'm just waiting, and it would take a long. So I'm pausing the video for it to load. See, I have written a huge article, but it's not written by me. It's just written by this early AI bot. So then just use social media platforms and then generate it, and it will take time. So I'm just pausing this video and waiting until I have done the whole. So guys, after doing it one by one, I have written a whole article for me, and this is how you could write a whole article for you. So then just go up and then select this copy button, click this copy button, and you copy the whole article, and then go to bloggers.com and then open an account. Like I have opened an account and I have two blog posts, and then here just click the new post button and then just paste your whole but I want to mean that your whole article that is written by AI, and then here just to remove this, so that it looks realistic. So then it's done. Then publish it and confirm. After you've confirmed that, just promote it in Facebook. Like I have a Facebook group. So just promoting in many Facebook groups. Like I'm showing you my Facebook group that that you will use to promote your that you will use to promote your what uh, blog posts. So I'm John here. So this is an easy site to get promoted. So then I'm just going to view this. Wait a minute. It will load, and then I will copy it and then cut it in here. I will just give my link. Right. So just give a title like what I've copied. Right. How to earn. Okay, so let me give my title based on that. Of then copy that and then just post it here. Then it's all done. It will promote it. It will be promoted here easily, and this post will be your post will be pending here. So I will give my blog's link in the description and the first in the pinned comment, and also this Facebook pages link and this link, so you could easily do everything. So from now, bye bye, see you in the next video.